Today is a session of David and Goliath. I'm going to be adjusting Rob's middle back. Meet Rob. And he's got a fantastic area that really needs to get moving, so let's make it happen. Come and have a seat, Rob. Okay, right in there. Right. So, if you could interlock your hands behind your neck, Rob. That's it. Drop your body down and forwards for me. Perfect, just to there. Alright, good. Okay, breathe in for me. And all the way out. Drop your head down and forwards. Elbows in really tight. That's lovely. Now come backwards with me. I've got it. Let's make this happen. There it is right there. Beautiful.
Jesus.
Yeah, do I get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now there's another point there. Rob's already had fantastic results. We're going to change this really well. Interlock your hands behind your neck again. Drop your body down and forwards. That's it, just to there, good. Okay, good. Elbows in tight. Good. Hold that nice and firm. Good, breathe in again. And all the way out, elbows in tight. Roll all the way backwards. Here we go. Here's the main event there.
Oh,
beautiful.
That one, yeah.
Beautiful.
Definitely got that one.
Very nice. Beautiful. Well, I'm loving it. Thanks. Beautiful.